Experience the sophistication of our Oak Signature Handrail Grooved for 41mm Spindles, a blend of elegance and versatility. Renowned for its contemporary design, this handrail is a testament to craftsmanship and sustainability, ideal for those seeking to elevate their staircase. Crafted with precision, each piece is made from premium European oak sourced from FSC-certified wood mills, promoting responsible forest management. Engineered with excellence, it boasts prime-quality oak outer layers and innovative finger joint technology for enhanced stability and durability. Measuring 65mm in width and 44mm in height, with a groove tailored for 41mm square spindles, it ensures a seamless fit. The included fillet offers customization options for a tailored finish to your staircase.